We've all been there. You buy a brand new fridge, and after a few months, or maybe a couple of years if you're lucky, one of the bins cracks or breaks. First thing you do is blame yourself or your husband for overloading it, and then you start looking for a replacement. It's just a piece of plastic, right? Shouldn't be that expensive. I mean, it's not an iPhone screen. But after a few minutes online, you realize, nope, not cheap at all. In my case, the replacement bin was $87.50 from the manufacturer, or $71 on Amazon. That's crazy for a flimsy piece of plastic that'll probably break again. It really makes you wonder how much profit these big greedy corporations are making off replacement parts. Like seriously, $80 for a bin that probably cost them $2 to make? So I figured, why not try to fix it myself? I did a little searching and ended up buying a plastic welder for $20. It came with metal staples and was super easy to use. I had thought about using glue at first, but let's be honest, just glue isn't going to hold the load. Those fridge bins take a lot of weight, and glue alone won't cut it. These plastic welders are actually used by car mechanics to fix bumpers and other plastic parts, so they're pretty solid. And let's be real, you can always find random broken plastic stuff around the house that could use a repair. All you do is pop a metal staple into the tool, press the button to heat it up, then gently push it into the plastic. Let go of the button and wait for it to cool. Once it's solid, you cut off the extra bits of metal sticking out. If you want it to look nicer, you can use a rotary tool to smooth out the edges and clean it up. This was my first time using one, and honestly, it turned out great. Feels sturdy, looks decent, and best of all, I didn't have to give another dime to a big company charging insane prices for cheap plastic.